Kowuok e mago motenre gi weche mag laro lo Nakuru, wadhiane ma otenre gi weche mag yie mag oganda wenge mag Malindi. Gikone to chwal e doho jayalo moro ma itudo kod tim mar lombo jolemo ma oketo e tweyo ma chwe wit ngimagi. Paul Mackenzie kod achije mamoko ne chwal e doho ma Malindi kendo doho ng'ado mondo mi geng'negi kuom ndalo 14 ka jodin mage mamoko geng'negi kuom ndalo 7. Jal bura Elizabeth Usui urucho oko rambun mar siling 10,000 manyocha ne Rick osemi Jadolo no.
The first suspect has
The court has considered the application that has been brought by the sergeant and the lengthy submissions by both counsel for the prosecution, for the respondent and also the respondents, for the first respondent and also for respondents number 2 to 14. And indeed, one of the suspects in court, who the prosecution refers to as a victim, because he's among the ones that, Vivian, you've stated that he's a victim, has actually directly asked the court to release him so that he can go back to the place that the prosecution referred to as the first respondent land in Shakahola to continue with his fast. This outrightly confirms that the activities are still taking place at the said place. The suspects have not been charged yet. The matter is still at the investigation stage. So the court finds compelling reasons to allow police to continue holding the suspects that are before the court for more days until the complete investigations. For that reason, the court shall order as follows. Suspect number 1, Paul Ndenge Mackenzie, and a police bond that the court had earlier issued and directed that he be released pending the investigations is hereby cancelled. Number 2, suspects 1 to 7 to remain in police custody for 14 days pending the completion of the investigations. We'll mention the matter on the 2nd of May 2023.